If you're wondering how to adjust color palettes in AdCreative AI Ad Creatives, you've come to the right place. In this quick explanation, I'll walk you through exactly how to leverage AdCreative AI's powerful tools to fine-tune the color schemes in your ads. And trust me, mastering this will boost your ad performance. Now, before we dive in, did you know you can use AdCreative AI for free through the exclusive link in the description below and also get some incredible bonuses? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how adjusting color palettes can make your ads pop and increase your conversions. So let's start by talking about why color matters in your ad creatives. Colors play a massive role in how your audience perceives your brand and how likely they are to engage with your ads. Whether you want to evoke trust, excitement, or urgency, choosing the right colors can make or break your campaign. In AdCreative AI, adjusting your color palette is a breeze. First, when you create your ad in the platform, you'll be given options to customize the colors. Whether you're using a pre-built template or designing something from scratch, it's easy to modify the color scheme to match your brand identity or the emotions you want to invoke. You simply click on the color elements and select the hue that aligns with your goal. You can even add custom hex codes if you have specific brand colors in mind. The color adjustment process is intuitive. AdCreative AI automatically suggests color palettes based on your brand's vibe, and you can tweak these further. If you're targeting a specific demographic, consider colors that resonate with them. For example, younger audiences might be drawn to vibrant, energetic colors, while a more professional audience might respond better to calm blues or neutral tones. One cool feature that's built into AdCreative AI is the ability to preview your creative with different color variations in real time. This is super helpful because it lets you see how your ads will look across different platforms before you launch. You can test different color combinations to find what resonates best with your audience. This is especially important if you're running multi-platform campaigns and want to maintain consistency across all channels. Another thing to note is how color psychology plays into this. For example, red can grab attention, but it also evokes urgency or excitement. Blue conveys trust and security, while green is associated with growth and health. When adjusting color palettes in AdCreative AI, think about how you want your audience to feel when they see your ad. AdCreative AI makes it so easy to implement these psychological triggers by offering an intuitive interface. You can quickly swap out colors on buttons, text, background, and more. This level of control gives you the flexibility to test and optimize your ads for maximum engagement and conversions. Remember, when choosing colors for your ads, consistency is key. If you're promoting a product or service, make sure your ad colors align with your branding. The software allows you to easily adjust and update your creatives without the need for complex design skills. And here's a pro tip. If you're unsure which color palette works best, don't be afraid to test different variations. A/B testing is one of the easiest ways to determine what colors drive the best results. AdCreative AI even lets you track the performance of different creatives to optimize based on real-time data. To wrap things up, adjusting color palettes in AdCreative AI Ad Creatives isn't just about making your ads look good, it's about making them more effective. By customizing your colors to fit your brand, target audience, and emotional goals, you can increase engagement and drive better results. And before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial of AdCreative AI by clicking the link below. You can start using the platform today and take advantage of all the bonuses I mentioned earlier.